आनी सद्या डाबोलीम सावथ गोवा आनी नॉर्थ गोवाकूय पडटा कित्याक तो सेंट्रल एअरपोर्ट आहा, हिस्टॉरिकल एअरपोर्ट आहा, सगळ्या गोंयाक सर्वीस करता. डाबोलीम क्लोज डावन जाल्यार सामकें डिजास्टर्स जातलें. एअरपोर्ट आहा इंडियान जो डिफेन्स आनी मिलिटरी डिफेन्स आनी सिविलियन चलता. So all valid reason ना कि Dabolim closed down to. The number of charter flights and international flights coming to Dabolim has declined significantly. सध्या ह्या वर्सा एकूच चार्टर येयलेली हा आनी एकूच चार्टर कंपनी येयलेली हा आनी एकूच इंटरनॅशनल फ्लायट येता. So Dabolim खंय तरी they have to start really upping their game and see they remain competitive.
दाबोलीचे फ्लायट्स कमी आसा वाडोवपाक जाय.
ते इन्वेस्टमेंट केला इतले न्हू 500 कोटीचे आतां तो दाबोलीम. So there is a need for Dabolim to reach out to the market and see how they attract more flights. But anyone who wants to go to South Goa will prefer to get down in Dabolim. You know, it's just a 20-minute ride till even Benali from there, 20 to 30 minutes. So not even South, even North Goa, most of us prefer. If you're coming to Panjim, we prefer Dabolim because with such great infrastructure built now, it's really convenient. You are there from Panjim to Dabolim in 30 minutes max. Whatever support he needs from association and the people of Goa, I think, to convey this message to the central government, we will be happy to join him in his quest on this.